Hey y'all, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. I am Natasha and today I will be showing you how to get this natural glow. I don't have much to say, so let's jump into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, so we're gonna jump right into this. I finished my flawless foundation routine. Now let's get into these lashes. These are my favorite lashes by Heartless Cosmetics and style Luscious. I am now going in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop press powder, and I'm applying this all over my face to ensure that all my powders are blended well. I am now going in with my matte bronzer, and I'm putting this in all areas where my contour is to give my face warmth and definition. I am now blending it out with my same press powder from NYX Cosmetics. I'm going up the bridge of my nose and I'm blending this same bronzer out to my eyebrows. I am now adding some color to my cheek with this nice rose blush. I'm using my Heartless Cosmetics signature palette in the color Warm, and I'm going in under my brow, my lash line, to enhance my eye while also giving it a little bit of color. This is my NYX Cosmetic pencil in shade Black, along with my mascara from Maybelline. This is a regular purple liner that I'm using mixed with brown. This is my favorite lipstick, Heartless Cosmetic matte lipstick in Beyonce, and a little gloss. Guys, do you see that glow? Yes, this is my favorite part of the makeup. This is where the glow come in at. I use this glow on my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, under my eyebrow, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and also my tear ducts, which open up my eyes. Spray, spray, spray. Thank you guys for watching. This completes the look. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.